Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about Laplace transformation. So in this situation, we know that we do Laplace about for the derivative. So this one, that should be about h to the power of 4 capital F of h minus h to the power of 3 f of number 0 minus s square first derivative f of number 0 minus s second derivative f of number 0, and the last one, third derivative of f at s equal to number 0. Now the second one, they will be like this. So because this is about second, we need to have h to the power of number 2. If we have 4, we start with number 4. And this one, that is about capital F of h about number 0. That is about number 0 multiplied by 1 over h. Because we have number 0 in here, that is equals to number 0. So we keep the same. Now we put this one go in here, and they should be like this. Next, we have the condition. So for example, we have y0, that is about f of number 0. This one, third, first, second, and third derivative at s equal to number 0. So we put 1, 0, 1, 0 gone here. So that should be like this. Because we have negative and negative, that's why we have positive. Now we need to simplify negative h, positive h, they cancel. Negative h to the power over of 3, I will put on the right, and now we have like this. Now we have capital F of h. We can do about factorization. Now we divide both sides by this one. So we need to do about factorization by this one. So in this situation, you need to use about partial fractions. So we know that h squared minus number 2, that is about h minus the square root of number 2 and h plus the square root of number 2. So in this situation, we can create like this. So we have capital H over h minus the square root of number 2, capital B over h plus the square root of number 2. And the next one we have ch plus d over h squared plus 1. So in this situation, we will have like this. So I will equal to 1 over 3 over h minus the square root of number 2 plus 1 over 3 h plus the square root of number 2. The next one, we have 1 over 3 and we have h over h squared plus 1. Now in this situation, we can use about inverse Laplace transformation. So we have the formula in here. So if we look carefully, 1 over 3 we put in here, 1 over 3 we put in here. So this one is similar, this one in here. So we have negative with the square root of number 2. That means 8 equal to the square root of number 2. This one we have positive, the square root of number 2. That means 8 equal to negative of the square root of number 2, because negative with negative we have positive. This one we can say that 8 equal to number 1 because 1 square equals to number 1. And now we can return back and we can see that this one we have 1 over 3 e to the power of the square root of number 2 with t. And the second one, that's about negative. And the next one, we have 1 over 3 cosine t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.